Alright guys, so we got the camera set up here, and as you can see, when you plug the reverse camera in, it shows up so right in the top corner. Now you can change the setup and everything with it, but yeah, this is really awesome. I love this. So they supply you with plenty of cable, so we're gonna have to run this to our back, and it looks like auto shut off. I wonder if because our vehicle's not moving, it might be set up that way, or when the vehicle doesn't have power. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle. So this is the second time. We actually formatted the card once, and now we're gonna have to do it again. I don't know why. Why it didn't work the first time, because we formatted and everything worked. So formatting, there, formatted. So now it should work. Let's go ahead, and so you got a couple features here, and obviously we're gonna tuck stuff away, set stuff up better. Let's go ahead and start record. Yeah, please format card. But to turn it on is very simple. The whole setup is very simple and easy to use. I'm excited to see how this works. So you tap the screen, and it is touch screen. You can go change everything. You got video, playback. You can load the playback and whatnot. A lot of stuff you guys can do with this. So you're gonna have a lot of fun. Camera settings. You can resolution, loop recording, tons of different things. G sensor, parking guard. So much stuff to mess with that you guys are gonna want to play around with. But for now, we're just gonna get this recording. So yeah, let's see here if it starts recording when we move, or if we gotta set it. All right, so we're just gonna manually start it, make sure it manually works. All right, good. So again, you know, for this footage, we didn't set this up, we didn't run it up yet. We just want to test the quality and everything before we actually run this up. But it looks good from the camera, you know, it looks good from that little camera. So we start it, make sure it manually works. All right, good. So again, you know, for this footage, we didn't set this up, we didn't run it up yet. We just want to test the quality and everything before we actually run this up. But it looks good from the camera, you know, it looks good from that little camera. So we'll see, guys, we'll see how the quality looks.